Another one is MashaAllah. Say it, say MashaAllah. Say it. See, MashaAllah, and you can add on if you want to say MashaAllahu la quwwata illa billah. The one in the Quran is MashaAllahu la quwwata illa billah. And you can short phrase that to say MashaAllah. Another way of saying this, because we normally say this to try and, when you are impressed with something, you're supposed to say MashaAllah. Or you say Barakallahu feek. Say it. Barakallahu feek. Now, MashaAllah means whatever Allah has willed. And Barakallahu feek means may Allah bless you in this. May Allah bless you in this. Now, the reason why we use these phrases is because, my brothers, my sisters, in Bukhari there's a hadith that tells us, Al-aynu haqqun. The evil eye is true. In Urdu, you might call it nazar. In Urdu, you might call it nazar. The evil eye is a true reality. It happens. Now, what is the evil eye? See, some people think that somebody who gives evil eye is evil. That's not true. That's not true. An evil eye can be given by anybody. It can be given by somebody who loves you. It can be given by somebody who loves you. It can be given by somebody who's close to you. It can even be given to you by your parents. It can be given to you by your grandparents. It can be given to you by your brothers and sisters. It can be given to you by your friends. It doesn't have to be someone who's your enemy or someone who you deem to be evil in your life. No. So what's happening here? What happens is, when a person on this earth looks at something and they're impressed by it, they look at it and they think, wow, ooh. And what happens at that time is that they're seeing this thing as really big, great, awesome. This thing is awesome. And what they should really be doing is, nothing is great or nothing is greater than Allah. So what happens at that time is, this is how my Ustad, Mawlana Fadl Rahim, may Allah give him Jannatul Firdaus, say Ameen. This is how he explained it. What happens is, Allah wants to prove to the person who saw this thing as great, that he is great. And that's why Allah will, just to make the person realize who is great, Allah will put sometimes a defect in that thing, just to make the person see that this is not as great as it was. Okay? So that's why when a person sees something great, or something impressive, or something that is taking his overwhelming, sight, and he looks at it and thinks, wow. At that time, if you say, Barakallahu feek, may Allah bless you in this, you're acknowledging, I know it's super, I know it's wonderful, I know it's amazing, and I know it's from Allah, and I'm asking Allah to bless you in that thing. Do you understand? Or the other phrase, MashaAllah. So you see something wonderful, you see something amazing, and you say, just as Allah willed it to be, that's how it is. You're again acknowledging Allah is the one that gave it, and Allah is the one that kept it like this, and that's His will. So therefore, this stops, this is the antidote to your ayn, or to your evil eye, or to your nazar. Okay? So that's how you will, you look at something, you're impressed, you use these phrases. Now some people, if you don't want to use the word MashaAllah, some people think, well, no, that shouldn't be used. Fine, if you think that's the case, then use Barakallahu feek. Again, the same thing is in hadith. But if you want to use MashaAllah, that's completely fine. For those people who want to use MashaAllah, or MashaAllahu la quwwata illa billah. La quwwata illa billah means there's no one that can give any protection except for Allah. No one can give any power except for Allah. So by saying that, you're saying that only Allah can protect this thing that I've just seen, I'm amazed by. Do you understand that, guys? And they said dua, it's a way of giving a wonderful dua.